Hey folks, Keith Stroup, ARNO USA Business Development Manager here at Millennium Machine in South Bend, Indiana. Today, we're going to unbox and install a direct mount parting adapter onto this Miyano machine that's right behind me. So when you receive your red ARNO box with the direct mount parting adapter inside it, what you'll find is the direct mount parting adapter itself. You'll find the 4 mounting screws to mount it onto your turret. You'll find 2 spare screws to mount your module onto the adapter. And you'll find 2 3mm set screws to blank off the 2 ports that you're not going to be using for through coolant, since this particular unit is able to accept a right-hand blade or a left-hand blade. So you'll need these 2 set screws to blank off the coolant through ports for the side of the tool you're not going to use. So while this is on the bench, let's assemble it and go over some of the spare components that comes with the adapter. Now this is a true through coolant adapter. It picks up coolant directly from the turret through one of these 2 ports, delivering it directly to the end of the adapter for the parting module through these 2 ports. This is our MSA parting module. This is capable of ACS2, which means we have coolant that comes out of 2 ports on the front of the module, one under the insert and one across the top of the insert, which is optimum for this setup because it delivers so much coolant to the cut zone. The other side of the adapter has a tenon, and you can see the 2 coolant ports there. The tenon matches up with the groove on the adapter. You slide that the whole way back until it stops, and finish the assembly with these 2 5mm screws. Now, many of our adapters are capable of accommodating a left-hand and a right-hand parting module. In this case, we are using a left-handed parting module, but you'll see on the other side, since we don't have a module mounted, our 2 coolant ports are open. And what you'll have to do is make sure you locate in your box these 2 3mm set screws that will block those 2 coolant ports. One other thing that you'll want to pay attention to is the coolant spigot. This coolant spigot can be loosened and adjusted to direct coolant where you want it to go. In this case, we're using an ACS2 parting module, so we may not want to lose pressure through this spigot and get it all through the end of the ACS2 module, in which case we'll simply take this spigot out and block off that port with this port plug. And it comes in the box with the adapter, and you simply put it in where the spigot was, tighten it up, and now we have 100% of our coolant coming through the adapter to the ports on the ACS2 parting module.